10 money rules you must follow before turning 40. Hey everyone, this is Norbapol TV. Welcome back. Before you hit 40, there are money rules that can change your life, rules that can mean the difference between financial freedom and lifelong struggle. In this video, I'm going to share 10 powerful money principles that every person should follow before turning 40. Your 20s and 30s are the most important years for building the foundation of your financial future. The habits, decisions, and investments you make during this period can either lead you to wealth and peace or debt and regret. Let's build a future where money works for you. Let's begin. 1. Pay yourself first. This is one of the golden rules of personal finance. Paying yourself first means automatically saving or investing a portion of your income before you do anything else with it. Most people make the mistake of spending first and saving what's left. You must reverse that habit. How to apply it? Set up automatic transfers from your salary into savings or investments. Start with 20% of your income if you can. Even 10% is a good start. Treat savings like a non-negotiable bill. Why it matters. This builds discipline and ensures you are constantly building wealth over time. 2. Live below your means. As income increases, many people increase their lifestyle, new phones, cars, gadgets, and holidays. But real wealth is built by spending less than you earn and investing the difference. How to apply it? Make a budget and stick to it. Differentiate between needs and wants. Avoid trying to impress others. Focus on your financial goals. Why it matters. Living below your means gives you freedom, the freedom to invest, save, and eventually retire early. 3. Avoid bad debt. Debt is one of the fastest ways to destroy your financial health. While some debt can be helpful, like mortgages or business loans, most consumer debt, credit cards, payday loans, buying expensive things on credit, is a trap. How to apply it? Don't borrow to buy depreciating assets, phones, TVs, clothes. Pay off high-interest debts as quickly as possible. Build an emergency fund to avoid borrowing in a crisis. Why it matters. Bad debt creates stress, destroys credit, and steals your future income. 4. Build an emergency fund. An emergency fund is money set aside to cover unexpected expenses like hospital bills, job loss, or car repairs. It helps you stay calm during emergencies and protects you from going into debt. How to apply it? Save 3 to 6 months' worth of basic living expenses. Keep it in a separate savings account, not your main one. Start small. Even $25 a month adds up. Why it matters. Life is unpredictable. Without this fund, one emergency can ruin years of financial progress. 5. Invest early and consistently. The earlier you start investing, the more you benefit from compound interest, where your money grows on itself over time. Investing small amounts consistently over years is more powerful than investing a lot later in life. How to apply it? Learn about mutual funds, index funds, or real estate. Start with small, regular contributions, e.g. monthly. Use platforms like Udemy or any local investment firm. Why it matters. Money that sits loses value due to inflation. Investing makes your money work for you while you sleep. 6. Increase your income, not just your savings. While saving is crucial, there's a limit to how much you can cut. But there's no limit to how much you can earn. Growing your income gives you more money to save, invest, and enjoy life. How to apply it? Learn high-income skills like coding, marketing, design. Start a side hustle, YouTube, freelancing, reselling. Look for better job opportunities or ask for promotions. Why it matters. The bigger your income, the faster you can reach financial freedom. 7. Learn financial literacy. Financial literacy means understanding how money works, how to budget, save, invest, avoid debt, and grow wealth. The more you know, the smarter your decisions will be. How to apply it? Read books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad, The Psychology of Money, or The Millionaire Next Door. Watch YouTube videos, take online courses, and follow finance channels. Learn about taxes, insurance, loans, and investing. Why it matters. If you don't learn how to manage money, money will manage you, usually in a bad way. 8. Plan for retirement early. Many people don't think about retirement until they're 45 or 50, which is often too late. Start planning now to enjoy freedom and dignity in your old age. How to apply it. Open a retirement account or pension fund. Contribute a small percentage of income regularly. Let your investments compound over time. Why it matters. You won't work forever. Retirement planning gives you security later and peace of mind today. 9. Protect your money. Building wealth is not just about making money, but also keeping it safe. Unplanned events can wipe out years of hard work. How to apply it. Get insurance, health, life, property. Store documents safely, both digital and paper copies. Avoid scams, Ponzi schemes, and risky get-rich-quick programs. Why it matters. One accident, illness, or scam can ruin everything. Protect what you build. 10. Set clear financial goals. If you don't have goals, your money has no direction. Goals give you motivation, focus, and a roadmap. How to apply it. Decide. What do you want? House, car, business, travel, freedom. Break it into short, medium, and long-term goals. Track your progress monthly and adjust as needed. Why it matters. People who set goals are more likely to achieve financial freedom. Finally, by following these 10 money rules before you hit 40, you'll be miles ahead of most people. You'll be confident, secure, and in control of your financial future. This is Norbapol TV. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share to others. Thank you.